Sylvester, for RO sizing. What is your opinion? Or this is the process part?
Actually, it is a part of process design. So anyway, we need to submit one RO calculation report like that or something review. So that will be the part of.
You're looking for the basis here. Are you wanting confirmation of the basis? Is that what you're asking? Or when it is sized? I'll let Kedar go through. I mean, we've gone through this quite a bit, so.
I think we put in 6 mm. So is that, or is it 7 mm? So if we put in the size, then that is the size.
If the size is, you are right.
If the size,
we have put 7 mm, yeah.
No, that is my take on this. So, but if the size still has to be changed, then we have to include a recommendation that the size is still to be confirmed.
The basis was for limiting the velocity in the piping downstream of that, wasn't it? That's it. That's so. If 7 mm is the answer, then that's it. If not, it is still to be confirmed. I can't really see what it says on the when the drawing's up. Does it state 7 mm?
Okay. So
no, but you said Ved, you said you had a conversation about the RO. What was the conversation? Because
so I would say that
Kedar is also here.
I would say the contractor to verify the size of RO. Contractor to verify.
So Kedar indicated that he's still not sure that this would be the last size, right?
Yes, because I'm not sure.
All right, that's fine.
Yeah, so let us put it, because this is a very important point, RO size to verify, to ensure safe depressurization and purging.
Where is the 7 mm coming from? Sorry.
This is RO size.
RO size, yeah.
But Kedar, is this been internally reviewed and then maybe also shared with Crescent, or is still to be reviewed and still to be officially shared with Crescent? Where are we at with this? Because we shouldn't raise an action if it's already closed. But
No.
if you think we still have to do some verification, that is fine by me. Yeah.
And the action is not closed. We can say this is under discussion or under.
Okay, then that's fine. Yeah.
So I think this recommendation will help us to ensure that RO size is done for safe depressurization and purging of the bullet. And as Kedar has mentioned, that discussion is going on. So I think let us keep this recommendation. Right, Sylvester?
Yeah, I think that's fine. I think it's not only for Sylvester, I think it's for the team. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So
just only just one point. What we discussed just before, that RO height, I just confirmed with our piping team. They told that the height elevation is maximum. We can say 600 mm to 700 mm. So I already have mentioned to the model.
Okay, so no problem. So we are taking that. There is no concern for maneuverable approach, and you have planned for 3D model review. So this already you have considered, and this recommendation, I think it will help you to make a proper sizing of RO so that we have safe depressurization and purging. I would like to take your opinion about the design condition. So can you tell me what is the design condition?
Could you just put instead of putting contractor, just put Exida SP